So I wanted you to see how I'm going to do this. This is how I'm going to figure out my values, and also I want to pull out any pastels that really, I don't need two of the same color. I only need one. For example, I have these little guys. These are a harder pastel, and as I clean them off, you can see they're the same color. I don't need two of the same color. So one of those is going to go back indoors. I am outside right now, so I can see the colors better. But the other is going to go back into my house where I keep all my spare pastels. And I will keep this one and put it in the correct color order. You can probably see the differences in some of these. The one that I'm handling right now is a much warmer pink. So that's a pink that I do need. The one in the closer to the front here, this one, I only need one of those. I don't need a whole bunch of them. And if I find that I have other pastels here that are about the same value and color, I'm going to pull those out of the box because I really genuinely do need the space when this is all packed up. It's a pretty tight fit. So now I'm going to go through them all and try to get them somewhat organized. Here's another warm pink. Is this the same pink? Probably not, but this is the only way for me to find out is to wipe it a little bit on a paper towel. They're close, but not close enough. So I'll keep both of these. And in the process of doing that, I will determine what I have and what I don't have. This one actually has so much green on it, I thought, well, maybe it's green pastel. But after I wipe it off, I see, nope, it's not. It's kind of a dark brick color, and I definitely use that. So that's going to go back this way because it's a darker value. All my really dark ones are back here. You can see when I wipe it off a little bit that what a nice, beautiful, rich, purpley color this is. In fact, it might actually belong over here with the purples. I'm not sure yet. I'll know once I start attacking the purple side. But for right now, it's going to go back here with all the other darks. And I will arrange them by value, color, and then when I'm all done, I'll put them back in the box after I empty all the other pastels out of there.